Good morning, boys. How are you? Hope all of you had a wonderful vacation. You remember last time in the moral science class, we started a lesson by the name of self confidence, and in that, we'll just try to brush up. There was a person called Salim Ahmed. He was an actor and he was very talented actor, but he couldn't make it big in Bollywood. But he was never unsatisfied or dissatisfied by his state of means that the state he was in. Means he was not unhappy that he couldn't make it big. Whatever he was doing, he was a very happy and happy person. So and he started working with the theater groups, and all his friends admired him for that. They thought that he was very talented. Later on, he got married to Zarina, who was also another actress. They both understood each other and they have immense respect also for each other. After a few years, they got a boy, and he was very good looking kid, and his name was Zoeb. Now let us continue with the lesson. Like both his parents, Zoeb was a talented person. As he grew up, Salim and Zarina noticed his qualities. Zoeb was not sure whether or not he wanted to become an actor, but his parents saw in him an acting genius who could sweep the audience off their feet if he took his acting seriously. Since both of them were actors, they just observed how their child was, and they found out that he is an acting genius. Genius means above all the other acting people. He was having extraordinary talent in acting. That is what their parents have found, and they thought that if that boy has chosen to become an actor very seriously, if he considers that as seriously as his career, he would sweep the audience from their feet. Means he would do that job excellently well, in a mesmerizing way. That is what both of them have observed. But that boy the Zoeb, he was not sure whether he wanted or he does not want to become an actor. He has not in particular decided about it, whether to become or not become. Zoeb never had any doubt about his parents' understandings of things. If his father said he could act, he would never question that. If his mother said that he was handsome, he would never have a second thought about his physical appearance. See, this boy is such a good boy. Means he has belief in parents, belief in what they say, and totally trust them. Trust them in the sense, if anything the parents say, he thinks that it is true, and he never questions it. He accepts that whatever their parents are telling, that is the truth for him. So what he told, he never had any doubts whether their parents were telling it for a true, or they are just trying to make him happy, so they are telling all those things. He never thought that way. So he thought he has such a strong belief of why? Because he thinks that parents have a better understanding of things. They have seen much wider world than the children. So when parents tell you something, they tell you or they suggest you something. Why? Because out of their experience, whatever they have seen in their life or around them, they have learnt a few things. That is why parents, whenever they suggest, it is definitely true. And better you believe in that and change your plan or make your plan according to that in anything. So if his father said he could act, means his father always told or maybe was telling him that he could act. So that means he believes that his father knows everything about acting, so whatever he is telling, so that is correct. And if his mother at any time told that he is having about his physical appearance, and his mother would tell him that he is a very handsome boy, he would definitely accept it as it is. Yes, that is a very good quality, in fact. Both Salim and Zarina were sure that their son could become a great actor and wanted Zoeb to polish his acting skills so that he could do it professionally later in his life. What happened? Now they were very sure. They understood that this boy is going to become an excellent actor, and what all he needs is a bit of polishing. Polishing means training in his acting skills. He is already having the talent, and if it's given some more support and some more training, it would be very good for him, and he would learn extra skills also, so that he could take it professionally when later in his life. Although now he is small, now itself if he starts the training and learning the skills, it would help him in taking up acting as his career later on in his life. And his parents' faith was enough to make Zoeb want to work hard on his acting skills. He was ready to do anything to please his parents. What he did, that he was, as I told you, he was having faith in their parents estimations, or whatever their parents were telling, or whatever their parents are thinking. He had faith in them, faith in that, belief in that. So he thought, okay, now he is ready to take up and want to work hard in his work hard in his acting skills, over his acting skills, and he was ready to do anything. Why? So that he could please his parents. One day, Zoeb's school was organizing its annual day, and Zoeb was going to play the role of a prince in a drama at the show. He was nervous, but father encouraged him. "You are very talented, my son. It's only a small role," Salim said to Zoeb. So what happened? Like in our school, in their school also, there was a annual day. And in that annual day, Zoeb was going to play in a play as a part, and his part was that he has to become a prince in the drama. He was very nervous. Why? Because even though he's talented, he was nervous. Then what his father told? His father encouraged him and told him, "You are very talented, my son. After all, this is a small role. You can do more bigger things than this. So you don't worry about this small role. You are capable of doing many bigger things in life. So do not worry. No need to worry." Zarina said, "Our prince will play this role very well. He's a born prince himself." Then the mother told, "See, you are a born prince. You are born as not as a son to any king or queen, but you are prince by your qualities. So do not worry. This role you can do it very well." Zoeb felt much better and started rehearsing hard for the role. He did not know how he would do, but he knew that he wanted to make his parents proud. He stood in front of Salim and read out an important dialogue of the play. "Was it good, father?" he asked. Now, after listening to both of his parents, he got the confidence back, and he felt much better than before. Earlier, he was worried, nervous, tension, and all those things. But after listening to his parents' words, he understood that he can do, and he started rehearsing for that role. And that too, he was rehearsing very hard. So he did not know how he would do, but he wanted to make his parents proud. So he actually never did anything in the school about this drama, but he thought that now I have to make my parents proud. So he was working very hard. He stood in front of Salim and he stood in front of his mother and father and read out an important dialogue of the play. You know, in play you have dialogues, right? Means the conversations, the verses which people convey to each other, and that is how you come to know, you come to understand what they are trying to say, about what they are speaking, or about the thing what they are going to inform us, or they want to inform us. All those things, how will you know? As audience, once we sit, we come to know once we see those characters standing on the stage and the way they speak, the dialogues they speak. right? That is the way the play goes. So even this boy was telling an important part of the dialogue. Let us continue in the next class, children. Thank you.